Hey, English learners! Welcome back to the English You Never Learned podcast.
Yeah. Here we talk about English the way people really use it. Not perfect. Not fancy. Just real.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Leo.
So, Leo, how are you today?
I'm good. A little sleepy, to be honest. This morning I almost poured coffee into my cereal.
That's a clear sign your brain is still sleeping.
Yes. But I'm excited today.
Me too, because today's episode is very honest.
Yeah. Today we're sharing a small experiment.
The title is simple. I spoke English like this for 30 days.
Not harder, not faster. Just simpler.
And today we want to tell you what we did, how it felt, and what really changed.
Many English learners tell us the same thing again and again. I study English, but I don't speak. Or, I understand English, but I'm afraid to talk.
So, we asked ourselves a question. What if the problem is not your English, but how you use it?
Before this experiment, I waited a lot. I waited to sound good. I waited to be correct. I waited to feel ready.
So you waited and waited.
Yes. Sometimes I waited so long that I said nothing.
That feeling is very common.
One day, I decided to try something different. For 30 days, I would speak English in a very simple way.
No big words.
No long sentences.
No pressure.
I made 3 very clear rules for myself.
Okay. Tell us the first one.
Rule number 1. Use short sentences.
Like what?
Like this. Today was busy. I felt tired. I worked. Then I rested.
Very simple, very clear.
Rule number 2. Say something every day.
Even if it's very short?
Yes. Even one sentence. Even 30 seconds.
Consistency is more important than length.
Exactly. And rule number 3. Don't correct too much.
That one is hard for many learners.
It was hard for me too. But I told myself, speaking is more important than being perfect.
So how did the first week feel?
Honestly, strange.
Why strange?
Because simple English felt too simple. I felt like I was doing it wrong.
That feeling of this can't be enough.
Yes, but I kept going.
This reminds me of something. Speaking English is like learning to walk.
I like that.
When you learn to walk, you don't run. You take small steps.
But many English learners try to run first.
And then they fall and feel bad.
In the second week, something interesting happened. I stopped translating so much in my head.
That's a big change.
I didn't try to say the perfect sentence anymore. I said what I could say.
Can you give us an example?
Sure. Before, I wanted to say something like, I was mentally exhausted after a long and demanding day.
That's a heavy sentence.
Yes. But instead, I said, I was very tired after work.
Same meaning. Much simpler.
And people understood me. That was an important moment.
Being understood feels good.
In week 3, I felt lighter. Less fear. Less thinking.
So confidence started to grow.
Yes. And I learned something important. Confidence doesn't come from big words.
It comes from connection.
And from being understood.
Let's slow down a little and talk about some words we use today.
Yes. A small word moment.
First word, simple. Simple means not complicated.
For example, I try to use simple English.
Next word, pressure. Pressure is the stress you feel when you want to be perfect.
I speak better without pressure.
Next word, experiment. An experiment is when you try something new to see what happens.
This 30 days was an experiment for me.
Next word, confidence. Confidence means you believe in yourself.
My confidence grew slowly.
And one more word, translate. Translate means changing from one language to another.
I stopped translating in my head.
So Leo, day tree dive.
I wasn't perfect.
But you were speaking.
Yes. Every day. Without fear.
If you're listening now, we want to say this clearly. You don't need to wait.
You don't need to be ready.
You can start today.
With one simple sentence.
Here are 3 very small steps.
Step 1. Speak simple English today.
Step 2. Don't wait to sound smart.
Step 3. Be kind to yourself.
Question for you. If you spoke simple English for 30 days, what do you think would change?
Think about it. Or write it in the comments.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
You didn't waste it.
You invested it in yourself.
We're proud of you.
This was the English You Never Learned podcast.
See you next time.